Hey everyone, we are in drywall mode and today we are going to patch some holes. We're going to start by patching this. This used to be a light switch. The switch was way over here in this room, far from the door. So I moved it much closer, but we have to patch this hole. And it was a little smaller, but I think it was kind of jagged and that's why I cut it wider. I don't actually remember. It's been a little while, but we need to patch this. And what we're going to start by doing is putting some wood blocking behind the hole. And usually what you'll do is you'll cut a piece of wood that you can slide through here. Mine's a little big here, but we got a little trick. First off, you put a screw in the center. So basically what you'd normally do is feed it through this hole and then kind of hold it with that screw. But since we have this opening down here, we can cheat a little and get a bigger block of wood in the wall. And more or less do the same thing. So we know the screw's in the center, so it should be, block should be more or less centered. And we got our screws just below the surface, and we can then undo our wire here if it wants to cooperate. There we go. On the side, since in this case we have enough room. And we get it just below the surface. Now we remove our screw for holding, and we got a nice firm spot to attach our drywall to. So let me go cut a piece of drywall real quick and we'll slap that in. Alright, so I'm back. I got a piece cut. Got it cut to fit. And we're just going to throw some screws in that. And I think 2 screws will be sufficient for that piece of patch. We're just kind of holding it in. So next we got to cut the piece for the bottom. So let me go take some measurements and get a piece cut, and I will be back. Alright, so I got a piece cut, and I'm going to move the camera over a bit. Hopefully get you a better view. Chair's kind of in the way. There we go. So I'm going to start by taking a couple screws and I'm going to put them in right above, both to secure the wall and also tell me where the studs are. I got my piece cut. I'm gonna slip it down in. Hoping it'll be a perfect fit. Go. There we go. So what I do is see if I can just start a couple of screws by hand here. And then use them to try to lift it up, although that doesn't seem like it's working. There we go. Did I put this in the wrong side? I put it in the wrong way. That's why it was being difficult. There's a slight bevel on this, and I wanted the bevel to go down to make it easier to fit in there. Go. Right, tight fit at the top. So on this one I didn't use any blocking here. Oh, I wonder if I should have. Actually, yeah, I think I'm going to take that back out and put a piece of blocking back there. Because that's pretty flexible, that wall right there. Because it is 2 foot between joists here. So, let me pull this back out and add some blocking. I'll be back. And let's try that again with some blocking this time. trying to get the screw heads just below the surface. Alright, that adds some rigidity and ties the two boards together. And I'm not worried about that little section, that's a very short span. So third time's the charm. Start blocking. We'll do 2 on this one. Huh. That's weird. Do some along the edges. Stud. All right. Couple of patches done, and pretty soon we're ready for taping and mudding. So I'll just leave this as a short video today. Thanks for watching, everyone.